All right, here we are, lesson 3, level 7, and finally part D. This one is not a debugging one, but rather they're going to ask us to add a larger heading and list. So here's an article about modes of transportation. Can you add a well, can you add a catchy large heading and title it? Okay, add a larger heading to the top of the article. So notice here is the body tag, and we're going to always make sure we put our content after the body tag. This first sentence is inside a paragraph tag. Since they're talking about modes of transportation, I guess I would just say, let's choose a heading. Let's make it big, H1, and just call it transportation. And then a closing heading 1 tag. And now it looks like this. So, okay, can you turn the subheadings into a bulleted list? Ooh, that's a good one. The one that we had just seen a little bit ago, not only, what do they want? A bulleted list for the subheadings. So here's what we're going to do. So right before land, I'm putting a blank line here so I can understand my code. And so before I get to land, I'm going to bulleted list. So that's called the UL unordered list. Then around land, we're going to put the LI for the list tag and the closing LI for the closing LI list tag. So I have to do this for land, for C. All right, so I'm going to come here, LI, closing LI, and air. Oopsies, here we go. LI and closing LI. Now we're not quite done yet because, well, I see pink code, but then also remember when we start a list and it was an unordered list, we have to end it somewhere. So I am going to, now it probably is going to indent my paragraph. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm going to just simply put the closing unordered list here, and let's see, refresh and save what happened. Boom, boom. See, by not putting the closing list until I was done with this paragraph, then it makes sure the paragraphs scooch in and are indented. Okay, sweet. There you go. Off to the assessment level.